AMP value equivalent to $0.0020 a coin. The present reach, $0.0020. $0.0021. The earlier day close, $0.0020. The change was 0.0000. 0.00%. Opposite rates, United States dollars to AMP. AMP value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. AMP cost forecast for July 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.0020. Greatest cost $0.0022. Least cost $0.0019. The normal for the month $0.0021. AMP cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.0021. Change for July 5.0%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for August 2023. At the outset cost at $0.0021. Most extreme cost $0.0024. Least cost $0.0018. The normal for the month $0.0021. AMP cost figure toward the month's end $0.0022. Change for August 4.8%. AMP cost expectation for September 2023. Initially cost at $0.0022. Most extreme cost $0.0022. Least cost $0.0017. The normal for the month $0.0020. AMP cost gauge toward the month's end $0.0018. Change for September 18.2%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. In the first place cost at $0.0018. Greatest cost $0.0018. Least cost $0.0014. The normal for the month $0.0016. AMP cost estimate toward the month's end $0.0015. Change for October 16.7%. AMP cost expectation for November 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.0015. Greatest cost $0.0015. Least cost $0.0013. The normal for the month $0.0014. AMP cost estimate toward the month's end $0.0014. Change for November 6.7%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. At the outset cost at $0.0014. Most extreme cost $0.0014. Least cost $0.0011. The normal for the month $0.0013. AMP cost estimate toward the month's end $0.0012. Change for December 14.3%. AMP cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.0012. Greatest cost $0.0015. Least cost $0.0012. The normal for the month $0.0013. AMP cost figure toward the month's end $0.0014. Change for January 16.7%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. Initially cost at $0.0014. Most extreme cost $0.0017. Least cost $0.0014. The normal for the month $0.0015. AMP cost gauge toward the month's end $0.0016. Change for February 14.3%. AMP cost expectation for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at $0.0016. Greatest cost $0.0016. Least cost $0.0013. The normal for the month $0.0015. AMP cost estimate toward the month's end $0.0014. Change for spring 12.5%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.0014. Greatest cost $0.0014. Least cost $0.0011. The normal for the month $0.0013. AMP cost figure toward the month's end $0.0012. Change for April 14.3%. AMP cost expectation for May 2024. Initially cost at $0.0012. Most extreme cost $0.0013. Least cost $0.0011. The normal for the month $0.0012. Amp cost figure toward the month's end $0.0012. Change for May 0.0%. AMP to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. In the first place cost at $0.0012. Greatest cost $0.0012. Least cost $0.0009. The normal for the month $0.0011. AMP cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.0010. Change for June 16.7%. AMP cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.0010. Greatest cost $0.0010. Least cost $0.0007. The normal for the month $0.0009. AMP cost conjecture toward the month's end $0.0008. Change for July 20.0%. USD to AMP conversion standard equivalent to 495.05 amps per $1. The present reach 483.09 to 495.05. The earlier days nearby 490.20. Change for now plus 4.85. Plus 0.99%. USD to AMP expectations for July 2023. In the first place cost at 500.00 amps. Greatest cost 526.32. Least 454.55. The normal for the month 489.27. The United States dollars to AMP figure toward the month's end 476.19. Change for July 4.8%. Dollar to AMP figure for August 2023. To start with cost at 476.19 amps. Greatest cost 555.56. Least 416.67. The normal for the month 475.74. The United States dollars to AMP gauge toward the month's end 454.55. Change for August 4.5%. United States dollars to AMP expectations for September 2023. In the first place cost at 454.55 amps. Greatest cost 588.24. Least 454.55. The normal for the month 513.23. The United States dollars to AMP estimate toward the month's end 555.56. Change for September 22.2%. Dollar to AMP figure for October 2023. Before all else cost at 555.56 amps. Most extreme cost 714.29. Least 555.56. The normal for the month 623.02. The United States dollars to AMP conjecture toward the month's end 666.67. Change for October 20.0%. United States dollars to AMP expectations for November 2023. At the outset cost at 666.67 amps. Most extreme cost 769.23. Least 666.6.